Today, our experience is about hair cutting. Here are some new words. First word, 理发,理发, haircut. Second word, 剪,剪, it means to cut. 短,短, 短 means short. And 一点,一点, 一点 means a little. Okay, when you walk in a barber shop or hairdressers, the first sentence you will say to them is 我要理发,我要理发, I need a haircut. If you just want to get your hair shorter and keep the same style, you can say 剪短一点,剪短一点, it means shorter. 剪 means cut, but you can also put it in an easy way like 短一点,短一点. Okay, I will see you next time. 下次见。